Look at that. That's it right there. So in the first little episode of Learning to Travato, we're going to do a mod to our van to allow us to take our bikes with us as we head to Florida.
Let's unpack this thing. You want to?
We should.
We've tried several other ways to take our bikes, and nothing's really been easy to take off the ladder or anything. So we hope this is going to be a lot easier, and we're both pretty excited about it.
Yeah, this was not a trivial purchase.
No, it was not.
But it is not packed up like a trivial purchase either.
So look how this thing's packed. It's got wood on the side, all the way down, all the way around. You can kind of see in there a little bit. It's got wood on the top of it.
Purchased it from Panther RV Products.
Yeah.
In Washington. And it got here in 5 days.
Wow, that's awesome. That was one of our Christmas presents.
Our major Christmas
present.
All right, let's take it apart.
Okay.
Bolt to the van, and we realized we have some parts left over. And these parts, these spacers, go right here. So I started tightening it up, and it wouldn't tighten all the way down. And the reason is, if you can see right here, that bolt is keeping this from going the correct distance away from the outside support pole or whatever it's called. So that means we installed this pole on the wrong side. So Lynn has this idea that we should take it completely apart again.
And do it right.
Do it right. How's that going to help?
I just think that its bolts need to be on. It needs to be on the other side. I don't know if it'll help or not, but at least I think it's the right way of doing it instead of that wrong.
Right.
So if you move this pole over to this side,
then that little knobby thing
is going to be on the outside over here.
On the inside.
On the inside over here, yeah.
Which means this little bolt here
will be on the inside.
Will be on up against the outside pole.
Right.
And it will be able to be pulled tight.
It'll be flush, yeah.
Okay. So what that means is every friggin' thing we've done so far for the last hour, we have to redo. We'll be better at it the next time, but we've got to redo everything we've done, including taking this piece off, which is not real easy to do. Knowing us, we'll probably put the pole right back in the same spot and have to do it a third time. Well, it's the next day, and we have measured the door and the bike rack. It's on the ground down here, and we're getting ready to
mount it, put it on the door.
Try to anyway, right?
Yeah.
This cable's here to help hold it in place. I'm not sure how this is going to work. We're debating whether that's going to work at all, but we'll see. So that was not that difficult. A little tricky to put on, but it fits. If you're wondering how it fits onto the back of the ProMaster, right below the little ledge and right in front of the back window, there's a ledge that fits on. And then down here right at the lights fits there.